What's up and welcome back. We're getting ready to go down the road for a test drive on a 1964 T-Bird. This one here's got a 390 under the hood. We're gonna be taking it down the road, pointing out any kind of flaws so you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. We've got a few cars to get to today, so we're gonna try to get all that done before the rain moves in. Be sure to go to maplemotors.com, see the financing, the shipping information, wheels, tires, parts, accessories, close to 100 detailed pictures. And we do update the website every Monday. We're not gonna update this Monday. Got Christmas going on. But January 4th is gonna be a huge update for Maple Motors. So be sure to watch the website, watch the YouTube here. You'll see all of the new cars coming in. And I tell you what, it's about that time. Let's go for a ride. All right, guys, before we take off, go look around the interior, check everything out. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works on this one? This is a very cool car. I love the interior on these. Just look how big that back seat is. Everything's in pretty good shape. So we'll go ahead and start it up. Kind of look around in here. Try some stuff out. Radio's working, wipers. Wipers are fast. Left and right air. I guess that just lets air flow through. Let's try our heater. Give me a little bit. May have to fix that blower motor. I'm not getting anything out of it. Oh, there it goes. Just had to give it a second. Got a seatbelt light, the door ajar there. All your gauges are popping up on the dash. Looks like the gas gauge is sitting in a quarter tank. The oil pressure is about halfway up. See if we can get it to move. Not really moving around there. The temperature gauge did come up. I get pretty warm now. All right, guys, let's try this horn. Did you place your bets? It works. Let's hit the road, see how she drives. All right, I tell you what, it's already getting warm up in here. It feels pretty good. I got my seatbelt on. We do have that. I noticed one thing. The button on the bottom here is missing, and I believe that makes it release. Well, I went to get out and I just pushed on the steering and it comes loose because it's the slide. And I tried to figure out, it locks in and it's good to go, but once you get out, you know, a lot of times you do this, kind of try to get out of the car, well, it'll just kind of like pull loose. So we're gonna try not to do that too much. That may need to be fixed. But we're gonna take off down the road. Anything that I see, I'm gonna point out just like that. Checking our brakes before we get too far out here. Make sure we got some. This is the first time I've driven this car. It's with every car on the test drives. The speedometer is awesome. I'll have to zoom in on that and let you check that out. It's pretty cool. It is pulling to the left. See that? I'm kind of correcting it. I like to let go of the wheel during the test drives, kind of give y'all an idea. And it is pulling to the left. The good thing is the steering's nice and tight. Have to figure out why it's pulling to the left. Cut this heater down. Pretty loud. Kick down is hooked up on this one. Car's pulling strong. The brakes, they're stopping fast. They're not pulling to the left or right. The mileage on the car is showing 8,867 miles. I can't stand behind that because it's a 64 model. It's hard to prove mileage from that. Our gas gauge is fluctuating around quarter tank, so I do believe it's working. Turn signals popping up on the hood on this one, on both sides. And you can hear it clicking behind the dash. watch out for the dust. We're gonna go ahead and pull in the parking lot and avoid all that. They scraped the road all up there. So what I like to do is pull over here. I'm gonna get some undercarriage shots. I'll drive over the camera with a big light. I'll light up the undercarriage and do some footage from the outside driving by the camera. And we're also gonna do a walk around video, pointing out any defects in the body. We do that with every car as well. So be sure to watch the separate video, and I'll put it at the end of this one. Typically the last 30 seconds of every video you can find a match for the cars. So all right, let's do this. Let's get these shots. Okay, getting ready to take off and head back to the lot. Engine temperature is good, oil pressure is good. Let's take off here. We've been circling around the parking lot, getting our outside footage. Hopefully y'all enjoy that. There's a huge bump right here. We're just gonna cut through the parking lot so we can avoid all the dust. On the side of the road there, they're doing all kinds of construction. All right. Well, they cut that up too. I'm gonna go on down one more. Hopefully they didn't mess this one up. No, they've already fixed it. Here we go. Got some stuff moving around in there in the trunk. Heard a little bit of stuff moving around. Watch the walk around video I just did. Pointing out any kind of flaws on the outside of this one. Car is still pulling to the left. Throttle's very responsive, brakes very touchy. They stop fast. Let these people get way ahead of us. Come on now. I let them get way ahead of me, and then they seen a deer and wanted to look at it. It was standing on the side of the road. think everybody's came in from out of town for Christmas, because our town here is just packed with traffic. It's crazy. All right, this road right here has got a speed bump halfway down it. I'll point it out to you. Kind of listen for rattles and shakes. There's some stuff in the trunk, the glove box here, and the bump is boom. So you got some like extra parts manuals, books, and all that in the trunk as well, I've seen. All right, we're right around the corner from the car lot. I appreciate y'all riding along with me. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna go ahead and pull back in here and grab another car and do another test drive. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Y'all have a good one. Later, guys. All right, guys, I appreciate y'all riding along with me. Go ahead, check out maplemotors.com. Close to 100 detailed pictures, financing, shipping information. Wheels, tires, parts, and accessories are available. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to see classic daily cars for sale. You can follow us on that website as well. Every Monday we update with new inventory. That's the best chance to get the cars first. All right, guys, go ahead and watch that walk around video of this one too. Last 30 seconds of this video, it should pop up.